Projective Geometry, Volume 1, by Oswald Veblen and John Wesley Young.
Chapter 4, Harmonic Constructions and the Fundamental Theorem of Projective Geometry. Section 30, the Projectivity of Quadrangular Sets. We return now to a more detailed discussion of the notion of quadrangular sets introduced at the end of Chapter 2. We there defined a quadrangular set of points as the section by a transversal of the sides of a complete quadrangle. The plane dual of this figure we called a quadrangular set of lines. It consists of the projection of the vertices of a complete quadrilateral from a point which is in the plane of the quadrilateral, but not on any of its sides. Footnotes. It would be more natural at this stage to call such a set a quadrilateral set of lines. The next theorem, however, justifies the term we have chosen, which has the advantage of uniformity. The space dual of a quadrangular set of points we called a quadrangular set of planes. It is the figure formed by the projection from a point of the figure of a quadrangular set of lines. We may now prove the following important theorem. Theorem 1. The section of a transversal of a quadrangular set of lines is a quadrangular set of points. Assumptions A and E. Proof. By Theorem 3', Chapter 2, page 49, the dual of Note 2 on page 48, we take the transversal L to be one of the sides of a complete quadrilateral, the projection of whose vertices from a point P forms the set of lines in question. Figure 33. Let the remaining three sides of such a quadrilateral be A, B, C. Let the points BC, CA, and AB be denoted by A, B, and C respectively. The sides of the quadrangle PABC meet L in the same points as the lines of the quadrangular set of lines. Corollary. A set of collinear points which is projective with a quadrangular set is a quadrangular set. Assumptions A and E. Theorem 1'. The projection from a point of a quadrangular set of points is a quadrangular set of lines. Assumptions A and E. This is the plane dual of the preceding. The space dual is Theorem 1'. The section of a plane of a quadrangular set of planes is a quadrangular set of lines. Assumptions A and E. Corollary. If a set of elements of a primitive, one-dimensional form is projective with a quadrangular set, it is itself a quadrangular set. Assumptions A and E.
Projective Geometry, Volume 1. This book was written by Oswald Veblen and John Wesley Young. It was published by Blaisdell Publishing Company, London, 1910, and is now in the public domain. It is read by Jim Renhold, with programming and illustration by Jim Renhold, 2019. Thank you for listening.